Scott was just hanging out with another dog and let the dog lick his face.
Pushing me away.
And Cosmo's really upset.
Hey.
Usually Cosmo licks Scott's face all over, and he won't. He totally shifted his body away from Scott.
I said I was sorry. Hey.
Hey, give him kisses.
Oh. Come on.
Dad totally cheated on him.
Oh, yeah? Hey. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm sufficiently scolded, huh?
You had to pay for it.
Oh, thank you.
You know.
He's still pushing me. What are you doing, silly? He's still pushing me away. Hey. Oh, God.
But he can't resist the taste of salt.
Oh, God. I'm pretty sweaty. He's never done that before.
Yeah, well, you just let a pit bull smother you and lick all over your face, and you came home with dog hair all over you. So.
I deserve it, I guess. All right.
But he's like ready to fall out of your arms.
I know, he's like totally.
He wants you to know for sure.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Am I forgiven, huh? Not quite.
He's thinking about it.
He forgot for a second.
He forgot for a second.
I thought he was mad at me. You goofy dog. You goofy dog. You goofy dog. Here, go see Mama. Oh. His heart's beating really fast.